Welcome to another stock analysis video performed by MajesticTrader.com, where active traders seek greater profits. So let's begin. Hi everybody, this is Ronald from MajesticTrader.com doing your weekly video analysis of the S&P 500 and our market leaders. And our markets keep trucking along, and it's pretty much been on a straight line since the middle of December, hitting our target range here of about 1300 to 1325. We identified an upper range of around 1350. With the good news from some of the corporate earnings that we've had in the last 2 weeks between IBM and Apple and a few others, including Caterpillar the last couple of days, and the FMC basically keeping rates as low as they are for another couple of years, it sent the markets and precious metals, specifically gold, soaring. So we look like that we might get some exhaustion here to the 1305, 1306 level before we propel higher to the 1350 level over the next couple of weeks. But we definitely see some type of rest or exhaustion over the next couple of weeks, as we anticipated in some of our earlier newsletters that this would happen probably in the first half of February. Let's move on to our market leaders, and we'll start off here with ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil's on a pretty good tear here since quarter three, and we've taken a look at some of the times where it's based and consolidated before it went higher. And our average here has been around 21, 22 days, so we still have a little bit ways to go here if it's going to stick to its average time frame. So we're looking for a pullback here to the $83, $85 level before it goes higher up to 91, 92. Apple had terrific earnings this past week, and we're looking for a 50% gap fill around the 433, 434 area before it takes its next leg higher. The average analyst has about a little over a $500 price target on it. IBM had good earnings last week, and it continued its run, pulled back a little bit. We're looking for a basing and consolidation in here before it goes higher and tries to breach that $200 price target. Microsoft kept trucking. Pretty much based here is starting to create this bullish pennant. So we'll have to see which way it breaks, but we think it goes north of $30. Walmart. Walmart hit our target this week at the 61.50 level, and we're looking for this to pull back a little bit before it starts its next leg up in its staircase formation. So we're looking at Chevron. Chevron pulled back pretty hard this week. The earnings were certainly below expectations. So we're looking for this to regain its footing after hitting the 50-day moving average and work its way back up to the $105 to $108 level. Google pulled back very hard a week and a half ago on earnings, came down into this very strong support demand area here, and actually finished the day on its high with above average up volume. So we're going to look for this to go higher and go towards that $600 price target level. Procter & Gamble has not had good price action at all. As a matter of fact, we're looking for a further pullback before it goes higher. AT&T has had some terrific down action. Terrific in a bad way, because with the strong dividend play and a lot of the uncertainty that in the market that the FOMC reinforced on Wednesday, we thought that we would at least see some good range-bound action here. But with some pretty good earnings, we were quite surprised at the price action here. So basically what we're looking for now is a pullback to this demand support area here around the 28.75, 28.85 level before it goes higher again towards that $30 price target. GE has been on a tear since the Thanksgiving time frame. Came up to the supply resistance area here, and you can see it's starting to base again. We'll have to see what kind of action we get. We've had some pretty poor volume here over the last couple of weeks. As we finish corporate earnings season, it should be interesting to see if we get any push forward, but I believe it'll pull back to the 1825 level before it goes higher. Coca-Cola. Coke actually has been trying to find its footing. It went past the 50-day moving average and closed below it. We think that it's probably going to test this Demand support area here again before it goes higher. We really don't look at a breakout here until it breaks this $69 level. So we'll have to see what kind of price action we get here throughout the balance of corporate earnings season. McDonald's had a healthy pullback here after just an ungodly bull run. We believe it's going to probably hit the 50-day moving average before it goes higher. So we're looking for about another $1.50 pullback before it goes higher. Caterpillar had blowout earnings, and its blowout earnings, it jumped right up into the supply resistance area as we expected, went right through our $110 price target, as we had identified a couple of weeks ago in our video. So what we're looking for now is probably a pullback a little bit further to the $110, $109 level before it goes higher. They actually increased their guidance over the next couple of years. So it would be worthwhile for us to probably look at about $120, $130 price target over the next 6 months. Home Depot kept trucking along here. One of the things we're looking at here is we look at time frames again on how long it based and consolidated before its next leg up. So we averaged here about 17 to 19 days. So we're looking at this time frame here for it to pull back probably to the $43 to $44 level before it takes its next leg higher to the $46 to $48 level. The transportation index has just been on a terrific run since the end of December. And as we identified here from this terrific looking ascending triangle and this second leg here, we're looking at a price target here of about $55.43. If we get a price target here of around $55.43, we should expect the market to move up probably another 2 to 5% over the next month. So we'll have to see what kind of price action here we get through the end of January and the first week or two of February as we wrap up earnings season. Thank you for attending another MajesticTrader.com's Stock Chart Analysis. Visit our website to request one of our newsletters. Go to our website at www.majestictrader.com. In the upper right-hand corner, put in your email address and your name, and we'll send you out a copy. Once you become a member, you'll have access to complete trade performance, all stock analysis videos, archived newsletters, and midweek alerts that are trading ideas. We'll send those out to you via email. Again, thank you for attending.